In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add a header section to your Webflow website. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it simple and straightforward to understand. Let's get started. First things first, we need to open Webflow. If you're not familiar with Webflow, it's a fantastic tool for designing websites without needing to code everything from scratch. It provides you with powerful features to create professional-looking sites with ease. So, with Webflow open, let's dive into the next step. Now, we want to add new elements to our website. To do this, you'll need to look towards the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Add Elements button. This is your key to accessing a wide array of building blocks that you can use to craft your website just the way you envision it. Once you've clicked on Add Elements, you'll see a range of options displayed. We're interested in adding a section to our site, so let's locate the Section element. Once you find it, simply click on it and then drag it over to your website. Just drop it where you would like your header to be placed. Now that you have your section in place, it serves as your header area. Within this section, you have the freedom to add any text you like. This could be a catchy headline or maybe a slogan that represents your brand's mission or vision. Remember, a good header is one of the first things people see on your site, so capture their attention and make it count. On top of adding text, there's more you can do to enhance your header's design. If you're looking for a bit more guidance or want to explore pre-made ideas, Webflow has you covered. You can explore different layout options by heading back to the Add Elements menu. This time, click on Layouts. Here you'll find the Starters library, which is incredibly helpful if you're looking to streamline the process of building your header. The Starter library contains pre-built layouts that you can use as a base and modify according to your needs. It's a great way to speed up the design process while maintaining a professional look. And there you have it. You've successfully added a header section to your Webflow website. With these simple steps, not only can you give your site a more polished appearance, but you can also start integrating more complex design elements using Webflow's tools. Feel free to experiment with different texts and layouts until you find the perfect look for your website. Thanks for watching and happy designing.